Alright, so today I'm going to work on starting the car up. So if you've watched the last couple videos, you'll see that it has a cold start issue. So I'm going to pull the choke all the way out, turn the ignition. I'm going to hold the pedal down a couple times, push the brake. Give it a second. Try it again. So that's the typical thing. It usually takes, and it's been getting worse. And it is the winter, but it's California, so it's not terribly cold. So that shouldn't be it. It could be moisture. I think the moisture does definitely make it worse. Let's talk about this for a moment. Okay, so some obvious things. Battery. Just replace the battery. That's a brand new battery. Is it the starter motor? You could hear it crank, and if we were to look at it, you'll see the fan spinning, so it's not that. Could it be the ignition coil? Possibly. It could be weak spark, but if it was a bad ignition coil, the engine wouldn't idle, wouldn't run. And as you've seen in previous videos, once I get it started, it runs like a champ. There's no issues, no backfires, no loss of power, nothing. So it could be spark plugs. They're just weak, right? That it's in start condition, it's not enough to get it going, but once it's running, it's good. I just replaced the fuel pump in November. It's February now, so just a few months. That's brand new, no issues with that. Could be this fuel filter is getting clogged. We have some issues maintaining good fuel flow. But I think I know what it is. So give me a moment here and I'll show you what I think it is. So something else that I thought it could be was that if the choke wasn't closing the breather plates here and actually closing off our carburetor, that could have been it. But now that I see the choke pulled, the plates are closed. It is actually choking it off, so what else could it be? I'm going to replace the fuel filter, and I'm going to check the spark plugs and see what those are. So hopefully it's an easy fix.